Russ has his new top hat, and he is officially ready to become Russ version 2.0. His first upgrades: new seating in the downstairs.
More van work day. Oliver's trying to eat all of the wood. We're taking this off, making the couch.
First test fit. Where do we want the bed?
The old bed slats. Made them into new bed slats.
Marking out where every single one of the 48 slats will go.
Test fit. To bed. Ollie, what do you think? He likes it.
The legs are on latching hinges so that when the bed folds up, they can fold out of the way and allow us to store our bicycles inside while we travel. First attempt at sliding out the bed. It's a little bit tight. We took it back out, did a lot more sanding, and the final product goes together much better.
The cushions are cut, but that's a temporary cover until I decide for sure that it's the right size.
I'm excited about this piece. It's functional art. Now that everything's fitted, time to stain. And finally, the final install is complete. We even have outlets. One to charge things while in bed, and the other to light the art piece, which is operated by a remote. Looks like Oliver's claimed his new spot on the bed. Henry, I guess you're stuck on the floor.
We're trying to see if we can make a two-seater with a table, a shelf, out of a three-seating bench. I'll cut off that foam with a bread knife. Works pretty good. I did it. I just jumped in and cut all that off. The top is stitched. Now I gotta figure out how to do the bottom. And then here, we're gonna build a custom shoe shelf and a goodie box for Henry that he can reach from a seat. That will be padded on the seat side and the top. Now we have a two-seater with shoe storage. Working on mounting the shoe shelf box to the two-seater.
There you go.
It is attached. Not moving.